Wonder what that is? That's the freshwater pump for the galley sink and the showers aboard the boat. You can see every time it comes on, it jerks or torques a little bit, and you can watch the hoses wiggle. So the freshwater tanks are behind that big aluminum acoustic tile over there, outboard of the port engine and also outboard of the starboard engine. And then it's plumbed all the way back here where the water comes through this strainer. That hose goes into the bottom of the pump, out the bottom of the pump, into your first filter, into the second filter, and then out to the pipes. The blue pipes are cold water, the red pipes are hot water. You might be able to see it better up here, red pipes and blue pipes. If you want to learn more about drinking water systems and purification, join us in Florida for our Introduction to Boat Systems seminar. Learn more, ask Captain Chris.